Hello guys, this is my reflection, chapter 6. The topic for today is supply chain management strategy. Supply chain management strategy is comprehensive plan designed to optimize the flow of goods, services, and information from raw material suppliers through to the end customer. It aligns to objectives of supply chain with the company overall business goal to delivery value efficient and effectively. The first is product development, customer, manufacturing, supplier, and logistics, and development of supply chain strategy. First, customer requirements. 2. Internal capabilities. 3. Supply chain trends. 4. Competitive analysis. 5. Supply chain technology. And 6. Risk assessment in supply chain. 7. New supply chain capabilities. And 8. Supply chain organization, people, and performance indicators. And 9, business case and buy-in. And the last, number 10, supply chain strategy execution. Hey, thank you for watching. See you in my next reflection. Reflection.